Hi, my name is Vamshidhar Reddy. My Unity ID is Vpale. Today I am going to demonstrate how to automatically set up a job to build a GitHub repo using Jenkins. For this we need to have a running instance in using any service provider or local host. So I have created a running instance on Amazon Web Services, which I will show you now. So this is a running instance, and in order to create this running instance we used code, and it was shown in the last program, and I'm showing it again. So one difference that we can see is I'm writing the instance IP address and also the username to an inventory file, providing the SSH key, the private key. So since I have already created this instance, I can show you the inventory file. So we can see it over here. This is the IP address and this is the username and this is the key. So I'll just quickly show you the IP address of this running instance. So we can see it over here. This is the IP address, which is the same one which we stored here. So in this project we are trying to make every configuration, every runtime package to be set up automatically, and for this we are writing a .yml file, that is jenkins.yml file. I will show you the file. So this is jenkins.yml file which I have written. Here we are installing the required runtime packages, and also we are making sure the configuration of the Jenkins is done automatically, and that is done over here. Over here I can show you I am disabling the Jenkins security using this, and then I am setting up other things like transferring the .xml file which we wrote to create a job in the host machine, and I am transferring it into the remote server through copy command, and also other things like downloading the Jenkins CLI command line interface through which we are going to execute the commands like running the build and running the job, creating the build, etc. So this is the code for creating a job and building a job. So I will just run this. We can run this using sudo ansible playback jenkins.yml. So it just asks for the password. Now this will take a bit of time since it needs to install all the runtime packages and also set up all the configurations that are needed. Once this is done, we can see the job that is created and also the job running. So as of now I just wanted to show you there are no jobs that are presently running. I'll just refresh the page. So there are no created jobs. Once this entire script is run, we'll have a job that is being run, that is built. So while this process is being done, I'll quickly show you the .xml code which we have written to create the job. This is the job.xml file which we have created and stored in the host machine, which will be transferred to the remote server and used to create the job. So here we are providing the link for the repository that we are going to build this project on, and this is generally a sample.xml file with just the changes like providing the project URL and all the plugins that are needed. So this process takes a bit of time. Now we can see the job is being created, that is create new job. The job has been created and now we are building the job. So the job is built. So here we can see everything is done successfully, nothing is failed or nothing is unreachable. So let us just quickly refresh this page and see if any job is being done. So now we can see over here this JSP_demo since this is just in we have just created now, so it is in still progress. It will take a bit of time to get create. So now we can see it over here. The build is successful, and this is the JSP_demo. We can click it on over here. So last build was 19 seconds ago and it was successful. So we can click over here workspace, and then we can see whatever, this is the exact things that are in the GitHub folder, or we can go to the home, and we do have an option called GitHub, and which will redirect to the GitHub folder from which we have created this project. So this is the GitHub folder. So this is how we do this is how we are going to automatically set up a job to build a GitHub repo using Jenkins. Thank you.